How we can create mechanical hole in Allegro. So usually mechanical hole are used in any through hole component for support. The size of any mechanical pin or details are given in the data sheet only. So just if you want to create, just open pad editor and select units. Mechanical pin hole details, as I said, that is given in the data sheet only. So I'm using like 1.2 mm. It could be plated and non-plated also. So mostly it is non-plated since it is used for supporting only. And if we are using plated, that means it's going to be soldered on PCB. So now I'm going to use non-plated. Secondary, there is no secondary drill symbols. You can avoid or you can use it as per your wish. Just keep. Okay, that's how it look like. No offset design layers. So usually when we are using non-plated, that means the pad size should be very less compared to, usually we keep less than hole size also. So hole size is 1.2 mm. Diameter we can keep 1 mm also. Okay, default internal layer same. Okay, yes. In mechanical pin mostly we use keep out, that is always bigger than the drill size. So we can keep almost 2 mm, mostly for inner or outer layer, so that we can avoid any component placement or anything, any copper plating, copper layer. Okay, you can use it in inner layer also as per your wish. So for anti-pad for inner layer, you can avoid, you can use almost 2. That's enough. 1.8 mm is enough. Okay, we cannot use thermal pad since there is no copper uh, pad in inner layer or outer layer. So thermal pad is not required. Okay, even anti-pad also we can avoid since already we are using keep out area. But like 0 0, none. Okay, okay, that's how we can create any mechanical pad. Just save it, and to save just use circle. Hole size is something 1.2, so 120. NH non-plated you have to use. NH non-plated. Pad size is 1. That's how you can create and you can save.